Finally, after 5 hours of working, the Boeing 757 is finally here, showing details of cockpit, nose landing gear, the fuselage, Pratt & Whitney PW2000 engine, 2 Skibidi toilets and tail. This looks so cool, my super hard work. Bro, I'm so rich. Here are my works. MD-80, a 340, and my airport. Sadly, my airport will be deleted soon because I will upload my newbie 757 to Workshop. And there's no slot left, but if it's possible, please help me reach 10K downloads so I can have another slot.to upload my B757. Good aeronautics. Cool detailed cockpit, right? It's kinda wobbly, but it still looks cool anyway. Alright, let's go. That was so laggy. Kinda steep takeoff. So lag. Beautiful takeoff. It's kinda bright. Sometimes this plane fails to take off because it's wobbly. Okay, it's about to crash. When it crashes, it will be extremely lagged. It could crash your whole game. Okay, that's my newbie 757. Thanks for watching. If you like my plane, please leave a like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.